Good morning, welcome to
MathIdeas number 164.
MathIdeas number 164. Today we're going to do some more least common multiple stuff. And then you asked me a really neat question about least common multiple, so we're going to follow up with that after we do this problem. What is the least common multiple of 3 and 5? So, do you remember what least common multiple means?
Yeah, it means like, what is...
Or is that string bothering you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It means like if you asked me what is the least common multiple of 3 and 5, I would write down the multiples.
Oh, yeah, I know what you would do to find it, but what does it mean? What does it mean to be the least common multiple? Do you know? Not quite? It's the smallest number that both of the numbers go into. Okay, that's what it means. That's what least means. The smallest common means they both go into it, and multiple means it's a multiple of both numbers. Okay, so find the least common multiple of 3 and 5 for me. Show me what you do.
3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, and then you write down the multiples.
Okay, so these are multiples of 3.
Yeah, and then these are multiples of 5.
Okay.
5, 10, 15.
Okay, is there a number that's on both lists?
Yep, 15.
15, okay, great. So the least common multiple of 3 and 5 is?
15.
Okay. Now what question did you ask about this problem?
What is the next least common multiple?
Yeah, what is the next one? That is a great question. So what do you think the next one's going to be? Do you have any idea, or do you want to just write them down and try to find it?
I want to just write them down.
Okay.
15, 18, okay.
Yeah, that's right, 18.
18, 21, 24, 27, 27, and 30.
Okay.
And then 15, 20, 25, and then 30.
Ah, okay. So the least common multiple is 15. The next number that they both go into is
30.
30. Do you notice anything special about 15 and 30?
You count by 15 to get each one.
Right. So it's like counting by 15. So what would you guess the next one's going to be?
45.
45. You want to see if it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's erase. So why don't you start at 30 and
Okay.
count by threes?
30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45.
Okay, now start at 30 and count by fives and see what you get.
30, 35, 40, and 45.
Huh, so the next multiple is 45, which means the next one after that is probably going to be
60.
Yeah, so the way you find the numbers that are the common multiples is you find the least common multiple first, and then you start counting by that. That's pretty neat, isn't it? So if I asked you for all the numbers that are divisible by 3 and 5, you would say, oh, I know what it is. It's 15, 30, 45, 60. What comes next?
75.
75. Good job, sweetie. Good job. That's fun. That's a fun thing about least common multiples, isn't it? Alrighty, on to the next thing.